2026 Acura MDX. The 2026 Acura MDX continues to be one of America's most trusted luxury three-row SUVs, thanks to Acura's legendary engineering reliability, precision build quality, and long-term ownership value. Built on Acura's strong unibody platform, the MDX focuses on durability and refinement rather than overly complicated engineering, which is why owners consistently report fewer mechanical issues throughout its lifespan. The 2026 model maintains its reliable V6 engine paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, offering refined performance, confident highway passing power, and excellent longevity without the complexity of turbocharged systems that often require more maintenance. The super-handling all-wheel drive system, SH-AWD, remains one of the SUV's biggest strengths, delivering outstanding road grip and stability in all weather conditions while staying mechanically dependable over the years. The exterior of the 2026 MDX carries Acura's athletic premium design with a wide stance, sharp Diamond Pentagon grille, LED jewel-eye headlights, and sculpted lines that give it a modern yet mature luxury look. Inside, the MDX is all about long-term comfort. Rich materials, plush seating for 7, a highly organized dashboard, a 12.3-inch display, wireless features, and Acura's well-known reliability-focused cabin layout that avoids unnecessary complexity. Safety is another strong area, with Acura Watch technologies, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a strong chassis that performs excellently in crash tests. The 2026 MDX is also cheaper to maintain compared to German rivals, with lower brake wear, stable engine components, and solid electrical reliability, making it a smart choice for families wanting upscale comfort without expensive long-term worries. The MDX's resale value remains strong, and many owners keep the SUV well beyond 150,000 miles with minimal issues. If you want an SUV that balances luxury, performance, family practicality, and bulletproof reliability, the 2026 Acura MDX stands among the best in its segment.